So right now Sam is setting up for a 4-man team. We don't have Bree right now, so once she gets here, we will do a 5th bucket. So, Sam, say hi.
Hi. It's cold. I immediately regret everything.
Hey everybody, we're from AICBS, also known as the Art Institute of Austin's Comic Book Society.
Yay!
Yeah!
We are actually
Immediate
podcast members right now, so yeah.
Yes. This is the first time you guys get to see us on
Camera!
camera.
On camera!
So
Disappointing, I know.
No more visual, audio podcast.
We are
Yay!
gorgeous, by the way.
Yes, very much. So we are doing this to promote the ALS Research Fund, also known as Lou Gehrig's Disease Research Fund. ALS is a condition that affects not only the body, but the mind as well. It causes muscle spasms, bone density loss, and many other issues. So in the comment
Yes, there
below,
is
we will have the ALSA.org website. You can also click here.
Whatever the infinite
Yeah,
boundary
whatever.
that.
You
can click here, and there,
donate.
and there, and there, and there.
So
And there, and there, and there, and there, and there.
I'm Eva, the Vice President. We've got Bree. Hi, Josh.
Hello!
Jose.
Hey!
And Sam.
Dicks.
So, Gloria, before we
And this
start.
is Eva.
Yes.
Eva long forever.
So, before we start, let's go with Sam. Anybody you want to call out on this challenge?
I call out the C Squared podcast, Michael and Josh Perez, and my parents, Cheryl and Rusty Merrill.
All right. Jose?
I call out Enrique Antonio Rodriguez with my cousin.
Ay, ay, ay.
Hey, shut up. I call out Daniel Martinez, who's my roommate, and I really love that guy. And I call out my sister, Maida, because if you don't do it, I'm going to lose all respect for you.
Josh, you got anything?
Yeah, I call out Stan Lee, George, DC Comics George Perez, and Jeff Johns.
I call out my cousin, Ignacio Pena, and then I call out both those roommates who were too lazy to walk over here.
And I call out the Angels from Rooster Teeth. I call out 563rd Aviation Support Command. And I'm talking about the full command of 159 CAB. Can't wait to see you guys come home soon. You know, go get them, boys and girls. And I also call out the Long family of Alliance and any part of Nebraska.
Are we going to call out the Anime Club from
Oh, yeah.
AI Austin?
We are also
We're calling out the
Anime
Anime
Club.
Club because comic books, that's why.
Woo! Are we
Let's
ready?
do this thing!
Are we ready?
1, 2, 3.
So,
I had
don't forget to donate to the ALSA. Show your support. Keep subscribing to us. And if you like what you see, we might do some more crazy shenanigans later on. So, yeah, guys. For AICBS, this is Eva. I'm Brown again.
Josh!
Jose!
Sam.
I'm the president.
And this has been your podcast. Good night. Until the end cut. Oh my God.
It wasn't recording.
What?
Yeah, I wasn't recording the whole
It
time.
didn't record?
No, look. Fuck off.
Oh God! I'm filming right now the outtakes, right?
Say
Are you happy now, Mom?
Oh, nice.
It wasn't cold.
Are you proud of me?
You know, I'm actually kind of hot because of Obama.
I want to do it again.
Oh God!
Now let's all go to the pool!
Yeah!
Let's hit the showers!
All right, thanks guys for watching us.
It's in my